Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing this really fun tutorial using the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession palette. So if you would like to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Alright y'all, so I have already done my foundation and my concealer as well as baked underneath my eyes using the Revolution baking powder. And then I have also gone ahead and prepped my eyes using the Painterly Paint by MAC for the primer on my eyes, so we can go ahead and get started. So today for eyes, I'm going to be using the new Huda Beauty. This is the Precious Gems collection, and this one is the Sapphire Obsession. I really love blue eyeshadow for some crazy reason, but I'm also a sapphire, so kind of had to get this. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is absolutely gorgeous. So to get started, I'm going to use this lime green color down in the bottom corner. Next, I'm going to go in with this color right above the first one, and it is this nice tealy blue color. Start building up on the lid. In the center of the lid, I'm going to go into this color right here. So far, I'm really liking this palette. There's a little bit of kickback and fallout, but for the most part, it's really, really nice, and the colors go on with a lot of pigment. So next, I'm going to go into this center color right here, which build up the outer corner even more. I'm going to go and wet my brush with the MAC Prep and Prime. This is the Fix Plus. Going in with a different damp brush, I'm going to use this color right here. Going back into the inner corner, I'm going to use that same color that we used all over the lid. And then to reach into the inner corner, I'm going to use the lime green. To help line the underneath of my eyes, I'm going to use this dark color up here. To help blend into the crease, I'm going to use the same color right here. Now I'm going to sweep away all the excess eyeshadow and bake underneath my eyes. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day. This is the waterproof liner in Intense Black. For mascara, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Troublemaker. And for lashes, I'm going to be using Ardell Wispies. To contour, I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin Making Faces palette. For blush, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized blush in Warm Soul. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Becca Cosmetics. This is the Shimmering highlighter. To blend everything together, I'm going to go in with the MAC Studio Fix. To set everything down, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Makeup. This is the Ghost Baking Powder, but I also really love it for setting everything down. For lips today, I want to do something that's nice and pink and a little neutral matte. So I'm going to use the MAC Lip Pencil in Subculture, and I'm going to pair it with this is the Matte Shaker by Lancome, and this one is Sand, Sea, and Sun. And to set everything down, I'm going to finish with the MAC Prep and Prime. This is the Fix Plus. Alright y'all, so I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of me, please hit the bell and subscribe so it will ding when I post more videos. So I will see y'all soon. Alright, bye.